Hello guys, this is Kudo, and today in this video I will show you how you can import universal render pipeline on Unity and how with this render you can make your material more beautiful and more highlight. So let's get into it. So first thing we need to do, we need to create a scene, and in the scene let's create a default object. So let's make this a cube. So for example, let's reset it. Okay, reset it, sorry, here, reset. Okay, and there it is. You got some cube on your scene, something very basic. So on this cube I will add a new material. So I already create a folder with some bunch of material, but right now I will create so left click, material. So where is material? And let's call this one maybe, I don't know, orange, for example. Okay, because I don't have orange. Okay, and this material, because I want it orange, let's select orange, something like this. It's very nice, and just drag and drop this material on your cube. Okay, so now we create some matter and we drag and drop on our cube, and now we'll be able to add our URP. So to be able to add our URP, so let's go on Window, Package Manager, and on the Package Manager you will need to go on Unity Registry, and the Unity Registry you will just looking for render. Let's tap render. And right now you can have some different package, but right now what we want to use is universal render pipeline. So this one, universal RP. So let's click install and let the magic happen. So okay, so it might take some time depending on what you got on your project, and so basically it's installed, and right now we can close this window. And right now, as you can see, nothing happened on my cube right now. So what we're gonna do, first thing, we need to create a render pipeline, because if I hit to project setting and graphic, it will ask you a render pipeline asset. To create one, very easy. Just go on the asset. I will put it on material. Let's create render pipeline. So where it is, there it is, rendering, universal render pipeline, and pipeline asset. Let's click on it, and this will automatically create an asset with the renderer here. So right now what we're gonna do, we just need to click on it, drag and drop it on the scriptable render pipeline setting, and right now, as you can see, your scene should be all pink or purple, something like that. So what we're gonna do, so make sure to push all your material before switching on the URP. So to be able to switch on URP, Unity do something very easy. Just go on File, Edit, Render Pipeline, Universal Render Pipeline, and just click on Upgrade Project Material to Universal Render Pipeline Material. So if you click on it, you will see a pop-up, and Unity will ask you if you want to switch on URP. Make sure to have a backup with Source Tree or whatever, GitLab, GitKraken, whatever you're using. It's okay, but make sure to have a backup if you want to roll back on previous version. So right now I don't need it, so let's click on proceed. And as you can see right now, my cube is using not standard material, but as you can see, universal render pipeline. So so how we can make this cube orange more beautiful? So what we need to do, something very easy, we'll create some empty game object, and on this empty game object, let's call it post-processing, so post-processing, and on this post-processing, what we want to add is to add a component. Let's call it volume. Let's looking for volume, and right now what we need to have, it's a profile. So basically the profile, very easy, will be the empty game object. We just need to create new. Okay, And right now we will create a new process profile. And what we want to add, so let's add overwrite, and let's add some bloom. And you can check whatever you want. I like to check threshold and intensity. So this will be basically able to glow or highlight our cube. So let's put this to 1 and this one to 1 too. Okay. And what we need to do, so in the cube, let's head back to the material and make sure to check emission. So let's check this one, and on HDR, what we want to do, we want to be able to our cube to highlight. So what I want to do, I just want to looking for the orange. Okay, so maybe like this. I will pick this one like this, and voila. So as you can see, our cube is glowing, so, and is highlighting. So what we can do, we can add his intensity right now. And as you can see, very nice and very easy. So as you can see, it's highlighting on the scene, but it's not highlighting on the game. Why not? Because we need to go on the main camera, and the camera just need to check post-processing activate. And let's see the magic happen. And voila. So if it's not working, make sure on the universal render pipeline asset, make sure to have checked the HDR, because sometimes it's not checked, but make sure to check it. So that's it, guys. So it was a very quick tutorial on how you can make your game way better by just using some post-processing. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. So if content equal to like or user learned something equal to true, user should thumb up plus subscribe. Else, user should dislike but help me to improve. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys next time.